Welcome to Starbase Wraps. Today we have the world's fastest SUV, the Model X Plaid. This vehicle looks absolutely stunning. He went to a different shop for tint and PPF, and that's okay. He found me on YouTube, so now we're gonna do a ceramic coating. We're gonna use 3 different products today. We're gonna be using G-Technic Halo for the PPF, G-Technic Exo for the plastic wheel covers, and GeoShield ceramic glass shield for the glass. So this car is gonna be like the easiest car on earth to clean once it's all coated up. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, subscribe to the channel, grab your energy drink, watch the whole video, and let's make this Tesla look even better. And then I'll be using my scan grip to make sure everything's nice and leveled. And I'll probably go through about 30 towels I'll have to throw away because ceramic coating like crystallizes and these towels will never be able to be used again. So these are the products I'm using. And before I do anything, I like to wipe the car down with CarPro Eraser, make sure the surface is nice and clean. While I'm doing that, I also inspect the PPF, the paint, the glass, just to make sure there's not any issues that might be unknown to the customer, right? So upon wiping everything down, you can see that big finger right there in the tint. Now I didn't tint this, but I'm sure the customer could probably go back to the shop. They could heat and press that down. I don't want to mess with it because I don't want to be liable for that tint job. But I mean, this is a huge windshield, right? Stuff like this can happen. It's not the end of the world. That'll probably press right down. He did say he only got it a few days ago, so I'm sure that could be pressed right out with no issue. But I'm staying away from that one because I didn't do it. All right, and then looking around here, everything looks good. I did notice a scratch in the glass right here. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. You can kind of see that scratch in the glass right there. That happens, you know, road debris, tree branches, whatever. But yeah, overall not too bad. And here I am putting on the G-Technic Halo ceramic coating. Man, I wish you could feel this on camera, but like, man, it's just so slick and then, oh, and then it stops. Like, I can't really like demonstrate it, but my God, it is so slick. It's just, man, it just moves. Like this is so slick and then it doesn't move. I guess different brand PPFs probably have different properties. The GeoShield ceramic shield's got ceramic built into it, so it's super slick already. And then what I like to do is get my light on here and see if there's any high spots. Man, that is so slick. Woo! Yeah, I mean, my God, that looks amazing. And then each time, I just use a towel or two, a panel, and then just throw it away. And like I said with the towels, you don't have to be stingy. This ceramic coating used 23 towels for this ceramic coating. And this 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid, world's fastest SUV, is all ceramic coated. So I used G-Technic Halo over the paint protection film. This car came to me with paint protection film already on it. So the paint protection film, it's gonna prevent rock chips, scratches, swirls, and it'll self-heal in the sun or with some heat. What the ceramic coating does is give that paint protection film extra UV protection, and it makes it hydrophobic, so it's extremely easy to clean and doesn't collect dust. One of the drawbacks of paint protection film is it's extremely expensive. So if you get bugs and bird droppings and it sits on there for too long, it'll etch and ruin the paint protection film. Your paint will still be fine, but your paint protection film won't. So this ceramic coating gives you a little more buffer time to get those bugs wiped off, any bird droppings, stuff like that. And when it comes off, it just sprays right off. There's no scrubbing and all that stuff. It's hydrophobic, water beads right off of this thing. So this thing is gonna be ultra protected with paint protection film and a ceramic coating on top of it. And man, the glossiness and slickness of this, like it was pretty glossy with the PPF, but with this G-Technic Halo ceramic coating, like it really brings out the gloss, and like when you rub on it with a towel, it is so slick. Just feels like amazing, right? Better than wax even, it's just slick. So that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the ceramic coating. One thing that ceramic coatings don't do, like I said, they're not going to protect against scratches, swirls, or any of that stuff. Ceramic coatings are just for make it hydrophobic and give it UV protection. So if any detailer or someone out there is like, oh, we've got, you know, magic 12-year ceramic coating that prevents against scratches. No, it doesn't, right? Paint protection film protects against rock chips, scratches, swirls. Ceramic coatings protect against UV and make it hydrophobic, which makes it easier to clean. So hopefully that helps clear that up a little bit. And subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.